Should you have a wood-burning fireplace in your house? This is one of the most requested features we get from high-end home buyers in Nashville. And when they see the price tag, if they're building a new home, they usually switch back to gas because it's so expensive to come in and do the fire brick and set it up to be a true wood-burning fireplace like this one in my newest listing in Green Hills here on Benham. This home has a wood-burning fireplace on it, which is rare to find in Nashville. Should you put one in? Absolutely. Buyers love them. It's a fantastic feature. If you're considering building a home or you're looking for a home and you find something with a working wood fireplace, it's a huge benefit.